Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Honor X7, and in this video we're going to take a look at the shortcuts and gestures feature. Okay, so to find the shortcuts and gestures, just simply pull down the notifications, go into the settings and scroll down to where you see accessibility features, select it, and here you will see shortcuts and gestures. Okay, so there's 4 different shortcuts and gestures. So the first one is take screenshot, knock on the screen with a knuckle or swipe down with 3 fingers. Okay, so by default, the knuckle screenshots is enabled, but the 3-finger screenshot is disabled. So I'm just going to turn that on and then I'm going to demonstrate how it works. Okay, so let's just say you're in the Play Store and you want to take a screenshot. You're just going to use your knuckle and just double tap and it will take a screenshot. Or let's say you're in the theme store and you want to take a screenshot. You can double tap using your knuckle, or you can use your 3 fingers and just swipe down anywhere on the display there to take a screenshot. Let's do that again. Swipe down, screenshot taken. And then you can just go into the gallery and you can view your screenshots that you have taken. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at the rest of gestures and shortcuts. Okay, so the second one is record screen. Knock twice on the screen with 2 knuckles. So use your 2 knuckles, knock on the display to start or end a screen recording. So let's go ahead and try it out. So use your 2 knuckles, and as you can see, the recording has started. And if I double tap, it should stop. As you can see, it stopped and it's also taken a screenshot. Okay, let's have a look at the rest of shortcuts and gestures. So the third one is wake screen. Raise the phone or tap twice on the screen to wake the screen. So by default, both are switched off. So let's just enable both of them. So raise to wake. So let's just power off the display. And now when I raise it, it should wake, as you can see. And the second one is double tap to wake. So let's just turn off the display and double tap. It should wake up, as you can see. Okay, and the last one is mute ringtone, flip the phone. Okay, so by default it's off. Let's turn it on. So flip your phone to mute it when there's an incoming call. So I'm just going to call the phone. Give me a few seconds, guys. Okay, so the phone's ringing. When I flip it over, it should mute. Okay, so it's muted. Okay, let's go back. So yeah, that's the 4 shortcuts and gestures. This was just my video showing you all how they work. I hope it helped you out. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. Let me know what you think of these cool shortcuts and gestures. Let me know all that good stuff in the comment section down below. It's your boy the Android Doctor. Stay tuned. More videos on this phone will be on the way soon. I'm out. Deuces. Hit that subscribe button as well, guys.